How to see stars in your phone? It's so easy. So go to the Android store or Play Store something and search for Sky Map, right? So if you find the Sky Map, install it and you can see it where the stars and planets will be located. Okay, now I am here. Yes, so now my time is 10:30 p.m. so sun must be there in under somewhere. Where? Yeah, here, moon, sun there. See, it's right opposite of the my location. Okay, it's under Saturn, Pluto. It's mostly accurately sent about which planet will be shown on the exact location. Actually, I captured Mars and Jupiter with my camera Nikon P1000. So this app is mostly useful for me and it's very accurate. Moon, Jupiter, sun, everything is so awesome. Okay, what about this side? Okay, north side. Okay, awesome. So this is how you can see the planets with your current exact location. It can see with your GPS and you can see the settings here. East, west. Manual mode means you can only drag and drop. Yeah, it's a manual mode. If you click the manual mode means it will back to the automatic mode. Wow, this is awesome. Wow, really cool. Yes. Okay, what next here? Every detailing it's showing so accurate. It's useful for who using telescope and more advanced camera lens to zoom the planets and other things. It may be your favorite app for your purpose. Okay. Okay, thanks for watching. If you want to download pins, this app link will be in my description. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell button.